guide. Don't stop looking in my eyes.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, hi, I am Trishita and welcome to my beauty space. Today I came up with this look right here. It is a very feminine vibes, pinkish type of look, which is perfect for Christmas Eve or holiday party, and you can easily create this look. So if you want to see how to achieve this eye makeup, then keep on watching. For this look, I am using my Dare to Create palette. First, I am taking this orange eyeshadow with a blending brush. It will work as a transition shade and slowly building up the shadow into my crease area. As you can see, I have already applied setting powder on my under eye area so that eyeshadow fallouts doesn't ruin my foundation. Next, I am taking this hint of pinkish dark berry shade with my same blending brush. First, you need to push the shadow on your crease area. Then start blending it slowly. As this is a darker shadow, if you start blending it quickly from the very beginning, it might give you a little bit harsh look. Now with the orange shadow, I am blending it little bit below on the brow bone area to give it a seamless blended look. Now, welcome to the main part. I am taking this light pink shimmery eyeshadow with my shader brush. Here I am gonna create a half cut crease look without using concealer. Before doing this technique, you need to wet your brush with your setting spray or Fix Plus. I am taking this dark berry shade from this palette to deepen up my outer V area. I am trying to tell you the exact shade color so that you can use different palette as well. With this two shadow, now I'm gonna make my half cut crease look more defined. And with this small tiny little blending brush, I am blending the edges. As I don't have any glitter liner, so here I am using my Pixi fairy lights to outlining my half cut crease. With this highlighter, I am going to highlight my brow bone area. With my flat definer brush, I am taking these three eyeshadow and applying them on my lower lash line. And blending them all together with my tiny little blending brush. Here I am connecting these shades again with my wing liner. As you can see, I have already applied my eyeliner off camera. Now finishing my eye look by applying Pixi Rose Glow Eye Pencil on my waterline. And the last touch is highlighting inner eye corner. Now dusting off all the excess setting powder from my face. Taking this beautiful pink blush from Geek. It's called Hunky Panky. What a sweet name. With my Morphe E4 blush brush, I am applying this on my cheek area. Now highlighting my cheekbone, bridge of my nose, cupid's bow and jawline. Now I am taking this very affordable lipstick from Wet n Wild. The shade name is Bear It All. Lastly, I am setting my face with my all-time favorite Fix Plus. And that's it guys, this is a complete makeup look. If you recreate this look, please don't forget to tag me on Instagram and Facebook. I really want to see your recreation. By the way, I didn't show my foundation routine and contouring part in this video because I have already created a full makeup tutorial based on my foundation routine, which will be mentioned in the description bar down below. So don't forget to check that as well. Before you leave, please give my video a thumbs up and subscribe to join my YouTube family. You can also find me on Instagram and Facebook, and those links are already mentioned in the description bar down below. See you in my next video. Bye beautiful.
like the rain, each drop filled with emotion. Like the tears from my face, your love